Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Arito Gonzalez Ramos, and today I am going to show the activity 2, describing a friend. My best friend is Juan. He is from Colombia. He lives in Tierra Alta. He is 59 years old. He lives in a big house with his family. He has 4 brothers and 4 sisters. He likes watching soccer on TV every weekend. He likes working hard every day to earn money for food. He likes talking to people. He likes repairing shoes. He likes using his cell phone. He likes making phone calls. He doesn't like watching soap operas. He doesn't like playing any sports. He doesn't like wasting time. He doesn't like eating candy. He doesn't like listening reggaeton. When he was a child, he could play soccer. He could ride a bike when he was 10. He could climb a tree, and he could eat candy when he was 5. He couldn't walk when he was a child. He couldn't use a cell phone. He couldn't talk to people when he was 9. He couldn't swim when he was 5. Now, he can swim very well. He can use cell phone. He can cook, and he can work. He can ride a bike. He can climb a tree, and he can play soccer. Thank you for watching.